Hello everyone, welcome back to another edition of Ghanaian Street. Today we are at La Paz in Koda, Shusha. Children as possible. Yes, so we are here to learn how to roast groundnuts. You know the roasted groundnuts you see in eating and all that. We are going to take it to the process. How it's done. Come with me and learn. Me, I'm here to learn. You need to come and learn together. We can roast our own groundnuts at home and enjoy. Come with me. Yes, so today I'm here with Hadia. You know, I don't know if you remember her. We had a video with her at La Paz, the main station, opposite the Forest Bureau. We actually tasted her Yukina and the Fura. Go to our content and do our content and then check. You see her video there. It's very expressive. So today she's going to take us through how she roasts her rabbit. Okay. Yeah, and then they are bound thing.
Madam Olsi.
Ah.
We Nkati. Nkati na emu afi na maye nsushi. Bidibegu.
So you first have to boil the ground.
Yeah.
To what? Sama yen shade.
It's no money in channels. That's it.
Once it goes into the hot water, you start to stir it with a wooden ladle. So when I realized that the water was actually boiling, so she added it. Hey! Oh, okay. So this is the color. After boiling, this is the color.
The water will change.
Water will change color. That's all. You have to waffle.
Now we are going to polish it and then.
So after boiling, you sieve it and then you add salt. Then it goes back into the
We me koto enu kra. Nipa no we yi mu ama me kada. Because I am a customer. So be yi mu ama. Ti me friend no ono ane say dey ama ala no dey friend. Ti eba e pe me dey ni say me dey. Dey so hia no na me dey agbo. Na ayi e friend say say one boy le ho a want to me chini sa.
okay.
Because o person chini enko mo. Ti be ma ni so hia kakra. Na so na mana aye soft. Na o di chini go. Sisi a me be dry you. Me dry you ya. They say won them. You me dry no for. That's all you need. My brother come on. Dry. Never is some few minutes. Now dry. But send dry and come make me at. But depend. That's in oh, a puso. I am poor, a punya, and a team catching.
So what Adria was trying to say is if you want to achieve a very nice for her to use the seed of pan, and you have to warm the pan before coming in with the garlic. So she's actually stirring it, make everything warm.
You see, I'm in cat and be a boom. We start teaching, no, I see. Then we start teaching.
Less than 5 minutes. So once it is ready, we'll just fry and then
Say, one thing I may end them because I met your man out of dry and sun at chair. There we sit and be. Say, in Yanni, into any ucha. Wait me at you, okay.
she put the groundnut in the hot sea sand and she stained it.
The Ghana door says I that shit. Until 10 now, well, said, me and I best I was here. A gun a reno, a gun will be a china, not a week. If it shall be say, they're dry. And son, I start eating. Oh, at 3 and I said, dear, we Yankasa me yen for the catching on corn. We wait me at your gas to bagas in there, won't see in Temtema, that shit, not ending. Like I said, we won't say that she but ending. But when me and the media, a better to see her, don't and catching, I come. I will send a message.
Just pour the groundnut into the pan. It was a little bit hot with the sun. Everything just came together very wet and all that. As you stir in, you can see that the groundnut is cleaning itself on the pan. You want one.
Jenny in other film, Itafina, a baba betchi, matching Kazaka, China, come.
So you cannot roast the groundnut without pan.
No. You didn't use Gary. Now, Gary is yes, a share. The Gary is share. Don't say, ground way to any effect.
Okay.
You can use Gary, but you know, Gary, no. You the piano Benya Gary the artist so Gary no boy ni say that osa enyana ene so let me take you where enya we me the first one me the two ho and answer the second one but Gary no want me to first and second which ni ba ko pe no ano is o tubu na WhatsApp fufuro but enyana dey let me take there 2 times na di kai dey achi dada and san me san dey add TV.
Other people use Gary as their ability to know that roses. But if you use the sun before if you use the sun again after, if you have used this one before, you have to use the Gary then if you press the sun we are roasting groundnuts.
dia usi ya ntaga ya ka o ye.
Oh, dear mom.
Sai ya mo na. Sa mama.
Okay.
Say tinkakrana.
We are warm.
We warm na feel good.
Apprentice 1. See, Hadia, we know how many minutes now it take you for every round.
Okay. Say, I hate to say a dog, but this alone can be answer. Yeah, need to be 1 hour 30 minutes. But I quite say me per se dry and kind dry and I do my cabalista much about very.
Okay.
But any dry and so cacao until they take it time cacra.
Okay.
If you see, I'm making it there. They actually by 10 to 15 minutes.
You'll be ready.
Because it's I tell you, it's a calcium and yeah, brown.
Okay. So what she's trying to say is that this one is in large quantity and it wasn't really dry before she poured it into the pan. So it's going to take a while, like 10 to 15 minutes for the groundnut to be ready. So we are still in the process. But I make sure heat no anything I want to and so.
It's a shame now. I just my yes and she say I to say.
No man.
Heat no my yes and I say. No my used to monte. Minti bia.
Okay.
Yeah, I say any color into color kakra. Na say brown. Ntene sana. Nka no wudi so kwa 1 month kra e she rubber man na she bottle mu a. Enye di. Obi o ha uchi ana udi si ho sa. Obi say kakra dia na aye ba we udi a nti enye grill.
So you want to grill. So that's if you want to achieve the grill that she's talking about. This is how you have to do it. This is the process you have to go through. Okay, so you see, as we are turning it over and over, you can smell the aroma of the almost cooked roasted groundnuts. You can smell it over here. So I don't know if you can also smell it with me or you can hear it with me. I'm really enjoying the aroma coming from the groundnuts as they are roasting it. I'm really enjoying it. I'm ready to say
my boy is coming
yeah, she's used to the flavor, so for me,
I'm on flavor. A bone minimum.
Yeah. So you can see that it's turning brown. It's getting brown. It's getting brown.
There
was a way you went and son went to say,
brown.
Okay.
A brown, I know it's saying catch it. Would you be the best was anything? But saying brown now, would you see how those and Diana? I say, you man, we boiling. It is sure. But it's wood, I said, I dare you boiling the fair hand and chin.
Okay. So we all saw the beginning and then we are getting to the end. Please stay tuned as we are going through this process. Like, comment. How do you do yours? This is the same process. Share it to other people for them to also watch and enjoy as they're also enjoying. So it's in large quantity. We'll leave a contact in the comment section in the video for you to be able to call her. Okay. Her name is Hajia
Hassana.
So you can call her for your roasted groundnuts.
Siano.
So we are going to. So at this point, our groundnut is ready, and we have to separate the hot sand, okay, from the groundnuts.
This is okay.
So our groundnut is ready. It's ready.
You
You have to cool down.
This is a shinu or huntesa, or kulua, not a figure. Wow, some catching.
Say, I had come. It's very hot.
Go.
I'll eat it.
I see no, they are taste a jura. A jura, they are not
Nice. We are separating the chaff from the groundnut. We are removing the groundnut skin from it. So she's using her hand, to peel the skin off. So you can hear the sound. So now the golden brown color has been achieved. As you can all see, this is the point where I do my do. Most of you are not here to taste it. For me, I think it's a privilege and everything to taste Hadia's granules. So let's taste it. Cheers. Perfect. The salt, the crunchiness. It's more like a snack, like, oh yeah, I can sit on the whole day and eat this granite. It's yummy. Wow. Perfect. So, if you want your granite this way, most of you don't like it when the skin is taken off. If you want it this way, fine. If you don't want it this way, you can keep the skin on and all that. So this brings us to the end of our video. Continue to like, share, and comment. If you have your own unique way of doing it, you can invite us. We'll come over, take a shot of it, and also show it to the world. So yeah, thanks for watching our video. See you in our next video. Bye. Hadia.
Bye.